Hello everyone, welcome back to Brightpoint Infotech's podcast. I'm your host Premjit Singh, Marketing Manager at Brightpoint Infotech, and we have with us Shannon Walsh today. He's a sales manager here at Brightpoint Infotech. Welcome Shannon to this podcast.
Yeah, thanks, Prem. It's as always, it's great to be here. Excited to talk about what's new on everyone's radar. In the Dynamics world and what's new in Dynamics 365 Business Central for 2025 as we head into this new year.
Right, Shannon, and Microsoft has really upped its game this year with the latest updates of release of Wave 1. From AI-powered business features to world-class service enhancement, there is so much to unpack.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, Microsoft. They redefine what it means to innovate. So they're heavily focused, as always, on automation, sustainability, and of course, operational efficiency.
Mm,
So it's like they're saying, let's future-proof your business right now.
right. And let's start with the buzzword everyone is talking about, AI. Microsoft has gone all in with AI-powered tools, and Business Central is no exception. So, what's the first thing that caught your eye, Shannon?
Yeah, I mean, the generative AI updates have been very interesting, right? If you look at, the sales order agent, for example, and the accounting agent, they're now expanding into more countries, which is great from a global perspective. And can you imagine the efficiency boost for businesses, managing
Mhm.
international operations? So those have been some key areas that in the functionality that caught my attention. Yeah.
Totally. And let's not forget the co-pilot for CAG emission suggestions. I mean, sustainability meets AI. That's next level of innovation. Imagine, pinpointing where your supply chain generates the most emission and instantly finding greener solutions.
Yeah, I mean, it's like having you're talking about greener solutions. I mean, it's like having an eco consultant built right
Yeah.
into your ERP system, right? We can use that, and and speaking of consultants, how about the Ask Copilot about errors feature? No more forms or waiting on support tickets. Copilot
Yeah.
has got you back, right?
Right. Right. Okay. So, Shannon, moving on to supply chain updates, tell us more about the manufacturing and quality management enhancements.
Yeah, sure. I mean, Microsoft, it is planning some major updates in 2025
Right.
during its second wave, especially around quality management. So organizations can ensure top-notch quality at every production stage. So that's a big area that they've been focused on.
Yeah, and let's not skip the integration with Shopify. Expanding your e-commerce sales channels has never been easier.
Yeah, I mean, true. I mean, when it comes to reporting, user created queries are a game changer. I mean, now businesses, can drill into exact data that they need for faster and more strategic decisions.
Oh, and the new Power BI embedded interface, it's like having a business crystal ball.
Yeah, yeah, no, no, yeah, good point, right? I mean, it's intuitive.
Yeah,
It's great for companies managing operations across multiple locations with Power BI embedded into Business Central.
right,
Yeah.
right. Shannon, let's talk about user experience. What's your take on the performance upgrades?
Yeah, I mean, two things. I mean that's seamless efficiency, so faster client rendering and better performance means less time and more time doing.
Right, right. And how about the preview attachments in the web client? No more bouncing between apps, and that's a real time saver.
Of course, right? And for developers, the new tool like simulation for web service calls is making those testing integrations a breeze. So that's a win for everyone.
Yeah, yeah, correct. And another interesting topic and important is sustainability. The CSRD reporting and Scope 3 emissions, automation are game changers.
Yeah, I mean they are. I mean, companies can now track, emissions across the value chain and report, with a higher degree of accuracy. So it's been a huge step towards
Right,
sustainable business practices, I should say. Yeah.
right. Shannon, this has been such a, fun and insightful conversation. Dynamics 365 Business Central 2025 is just an update. It's a revolution in business management.
Yeah, I mean, I couldn't agree more. So, here at Brightpoint Infotech, we're here to help businesses unlock these, evolving features as they're coming down through the wave releases. And
Right,
yeah, it's an exciting time for business applications.
absolutely. So, to our listeners, if you want to learn how these updates can transform your business, feel free to reach out to us at brightpointinfotech.com. And don't forget to subscribe Brightpoint Infotech's podcast for more exciting tech updates.
Thank you.
Anytime, Shannon, and thank you for all of you for tuning in. And until next time, stay innovative. Thank you, Shannon.
Thanks, Prem.